To change your Calendly password, follow these steps. Log into Calendly. Start by going to the Calendly website and logging into your account. Access account settings. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture or initials, then select account settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to password settings. In the account settings menu, locate the login or security tab, where password-related options are usually found. Enter new password. In the password section, you will see an option to change your password. You may need to enter your current password first. Then, enter your desired new password and confirm it in the fields provided. Choose a strong password, ideally one that combines letters, numbers, and special characters for security. Save changes. After entering your new password, click Save or Update to apply the change. Calendly will confirm that your password has been successfully updated. Log back in. If prompted, log in again with your new password to confirm the change.